A very good morning to all. I am Abhijit Kaur Saharan. My dear students, before the starting of AV assignment, we are taking a pledge. You may speak with me in loud voice. Let's start the pledge. I am Abhijit Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask or face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash our hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. After the taking of pledge, now we are doing English 1, lesson number 2, opposites, page number 85. Match the opposites. We already have done this page number 84 in your previous AV, and now today we are doing page number 85, match the opposites. Firstly, we read both sides and then we match as per the opposites. The first one, you have given a day, hard, asleep, junk, wet, noisy, messy, always, smile, shout, summer, below. And on the other side, we have given old, dry, clean, soft, above, cry, whisper, winter, awake, never, night, quiet. अब बच्चे हम इसको मैच करेंगे, ठीक है? As per the opposite word, first one you have given a day. Day का opposite word क्या होता है बच्चे? Night. Night. First point match with K. Day, night. The second point we have given hard. Hard. Opposite word of hard is soft. Soft. Second point match with the D. Hard, soft. Third point we have given a asleep. Asleep match with I. Awake, asleep, awake. Third point match with I. Awake. In the fourth point, we have given junk. Junk, opposite word of junk is old. Old. Fourth point match with A. Junk, old. In the fifth point, we have given a wet. Wet, match with B. Dry. Wet, dry. Fifth point match with B. Dry. In the sixth point, we have given noisy. Noisy. Noisy का opposite क्या है बच्चे? Quiet. Quiet. Sixth point match with L. Noisy, quiet. In the seventh point, we have given a messy. Messy, match with C. Clean. Messy, clean. Seventh point match with C बच्चे,
clean. In the 8th point, we have given always. Always, opposite word क्या है बच्चे? Always, never. Match with J, 8th point, match with J, never. In the 9th point, we have given smile. Smile. Match with opposite word. Opposite क्या है बच्चे? Smile का opposite cry. Cry. 9th point match with F. Cry. The 10th point shout. Shout. Then shout word का बच्चे opposite क्या है? Whisper. Whisper. Shout का opposite क्या है? With match with G. Whisper. 11th point, we have given summer. Summer. Summer का opposite क्या है बच्चे? Winter. Winter. 11th point match with H. Summer, winter. And the last we have given a below. Below match with E. A verb. A verb. 12th point match with E. A verb. Do that work on your book only. ठीक है बच्चे, आपने सिर्फ जे वाला वर्क अपनी बुक पे ही करना है. ओके एंड जो आपको अपोजिट वर्ड फर्स्ट पहले दिए हुए थे आपको फर्स्ट पेज पे 84 पे, वो आपने अपनी कॉपी पे राइट करने हैं फिर नोटबुक पे. ओके बच्चे, I hope you will understood. Thank you. Bye bye.